I hope you all are doing great. So this is a wonderful opportunity from BizData hiring for Python developer role, because many students were recently asking me related to Python developer job and Python developer opening. So this is a great opportunity and chance to apply for this role for Python developer at BizData, because you can see at the left hand side of the screen the name of the company is BizData hiring for Python developer. So this is a great opportunity and chance to work as a Python developer and start your career as a Python developer at BizData, because many students have been completed the course in Python full stack and been working for a Python internship. So this is not an internship anymore. This is a Python developer, pure Python developer full-time role. So you can apply. I would be pasting this link in the description and in the comment box. If you face any queries or difficulties, let me know as soon as possible before the deadline, because the time is very short and candidates are more. So apply as soon as possible before it get closes. So this is a full-time role, not an internship anymore. So you can apply. You can see they have clearly mentioned they are hiring for Python developer role for freshers and recent graduates who have completed their graduation in recent years. So you can really apply for this role from 0 to 1 year. At most 1 year would be considered, but you can start with 0 years if you are a fresher, and if you have 1 year of experience you are good to go. Then apart from this, that they have mentioned is the location is Bangalore, and this would be a full-time role, so you can apply as soon as possible. So I would be giving you a brief idea and mainly covering very fast related to the main thing, and the discussion would be going on mainly to the responsibilities and what they are mainly seeking. So as soon as you can see on the screen at the right hand side of the screen that apply for this job, you can directly click on apply and submit all the details with your resume, and your application process would be submitted. So they may contacting you if you get shortlisted or selected. So the work mode would be work from office. They have clearly mentioned, you can see and read, and the work location is Whitefield, Bangalore, and they have given here a small job description. You can read that as well. So they are mainly looking for enthusiastic and driven Python developer to join their AI engineering team and work on building modern AI web applications. So mainly what you would be doing is you will be developing some backend and front-end components using leading Python frameworks such as Django, Fast API or similar. So if you're really interested in this opening and opportunity, you can apply. So they have mentioned that if you are passionate about learning new technologies, building scalable applications and growing your skills in fast-paced environment, so they would love to hear from you. So these are some of the key responsibilities that they have given. So web application development, design, develop, test and deploy web application using popular Python frameworks, Django, Fast API, Reflex, etc. Then they have given API design and development. Then you have to build and maintain RESTful APIs with a focus on implementing robust code operations, backend engineering, front-end collaboration, participate in UI UX development. I personally suggest you to apply and check. If you get shortlisted, this is a great opportunity. So you can first apply and check, then read all, then you can see what can be done. So if you have some great knowledge, then this is really a great opportunity to start. So this would be clearly work from home, and job location is Whitefield, Bengaluru, as I have discussed earlier, and the experience from 0 to 1 year anyone can apply. So they have given all these points that you have to keep in mind and apply before applying. So think that if this skills really matches your profile, and if you think this opening is specially for you, then you can really apply. They have also mentioned that you should be familiar with Git or other version control tools. Then you should be a quick learner and proactive in exploring new technologies. You should be good at written and verbal communication, analytical and problem solving mindset, team player and collaborative attitude. These are some of the skills that every company is looking for. So you can check each and everything they have mentioned in detail about the job role, job description, overview, everything has been given. So I would be pasting this link in the comment box. You can apply from there itself. Just copy and paste it in your another browser, web browser, and the link will be opening. If the link is not working, let me know in the comment box as soon as possible. So yeah, you can apply for this job by clicking here apply now, and the next page would be you would be redirected where apply for this job. You have to upload your resume. Make sure your resume format should be doc PDF. Then you have to fill your first name, middle name, last name, mobile number, email. Make sure you fill the right email address so they may contact you via email. Then gender, everything should be mentioned at perfect. Then scrolling down, you can mention your skills and add your education details. At the last, you can fill the captcha and click this checkbox. By applying, you hereby accept the data processing terms and conditions. You can click on apply now. So this will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes. You can apply as soon as possible after watching this video. And all the best. If you face any queries or difficulties, let me know. Again, this opening was related to Python developer job at BizData. So you can apply, and all the best. Stay tuned.